Alright, in this video demonstration we're going to make some special configurations on DHCP dealing specifically with DNS. We're on server B and we're going to go open up the DHCP snap-in, maximize the window here. And what we're going to do is right click on IPv4 and go to properties. We're going to find the DNS tab and select it. And for the first portion of the lab, we want to make sure that the DHCP server will always dynamically update DNS-A and pointer records whether a DHCP client requests it or not. So we're going to select this radio button to always dynamically update DNS-A and pointer records. Click apply because I want to stay here and do something else. The next thing we want to do is enable name protection. So here's the name protection area down here below. Configure that and just simply check the checkbox to enable that. Say OK, and again apply. And say OK. The last thing we want to do is add server B to the appropriate Active Directory built-in security group so that server B can create resource records for clients without having require any secure DNS, dynamic DNS or DDNS updates. So what I want to do is open up Active Directory users and computers. And in Active Directory users and computers, I'm going to go to the Hugo.local domain, which is mine, and go into the users container, and there is a group called DNS Update Proxy. So I'm going to double click it and go to the members tab. On the members tab we'll do add, advanced, and we're going to make sure we have computer objects listed up here, which right now we do not. So I'm going to click on object tabs or objects button and click the checkbox for computers and say OK. Now we're going to do a find now. Now I'll be able to find server B, highlight server B and say OK, and OK, and then OK. And that's all we need to do for this part of the lab.